Jason Momoa showed up to support Zoe Kravitz at her NYC The Batman premiere, bringing his children, Lola and Nakoa-Wolf, along for the ride. Aloha from NYC. Jason Momoa, 42, showed up to support his, somewhat, estranged wife Lisa Bonet's daughter Zoe Kravitz for the New York City premiere of The Batman, bringing his two children he shares with Lisa, Lola, 14, and son, Nakoa-Wolf, 13, along for the ride. The actor, who was recently reported to have moved back in with Lisa after publicly announcing a breakup on January 12, looked chic in a burgundy velvet suit for the event, while Lola wore a long-sleeve, ankle-length black and white pattern dress and Nakoa-Wolf sported a dark gray suit over a white t-shirt, pairing the look with red Doc Marten boots. Before the premiere of the film, fans already knew Jason was showing up to support with his family, as he and Zoe were spotted getting dinner on February 28 with Nakoa-Wolf, Lola, and Zoe's beau, Channing Tatum. Zoe sported a chic brown trench coat, black outfit, and black Yves Saint Laurent bag for the outing, while Nakoa-Wolf opted for an outfit that featured his Doc Martens and striped shirt, and Lola went with an animal print look. Related gallery. Jason Momoa's kids, photos of the Aquaman star's 3 children. Fans were also delighted to learn of Jason getting cozy again with his estranged wife and her immediate family, considering how they first revealed their decision to split in an Instagram post on January 12, stating, "We free each other to be who we are learning to become." Now, roughly 6 weeks after that shocking Instagram post, which has since been deleted, a friend of the Aquaman star tells Hollywood Life exclusively that they've had a change of heart and are living together again. Jason moved back in with Lisa about 2 weeks ago and they are very much back together, the pal told us. They decided to work on things rather than throw in the towel because they have so much invested in each other. The couple's 2 teenage children were also revealed to be obviously thrilled their parents have given their marriage another shot, the source said, adding, "Everyone is really hoping that they can make this work this time around."